Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafeez. So in this video we will learn what is HTTP request in Laravel. In the previous video we have already learned what is HTTP client in Laravel. Actually HTTP client is used for communication the external web API. If we want use the external web applications or API in our web application, then we will use the HTTP client in our application. And if we want to save the data, update, delete the data, then we will use the HTTP request in Laravel controller. So let us see how to use the HTTP request in Laravel. For that we need to open the project. So this is the fresh Laravel project which we have already installed in the previous video. So let us open the text editor. So these are the four HTTP request method: get, post, put, and delete. We will learn one by one, and also we will use in the upcoming video practically, and we will see how to use get, post, put, and delete method in HTTP request. So first of all, we will see how to use the get method in HTTP request. For that we need to open the routes. We have already used many times get method. You can see in the previous video, if you are following my previous video, then you can see we have already used many times the get method. So let us open the controller app, HTTP controllers and user controls. You can see this is the user controllers which we have already created in the previous video. So let us delete this. Users, let us make a new function. User data users data. So let us create the route for this method. First of all we will get the users. Use users, delete the user table. So let us refresh. You can see this is working. So let us create a form for testing. Name, input, name. So let us duplicate this. Email and email. So let us save this and let us create a submit button. Submit. So let us refresh. Now you can see these are the two fields. Name and email. If we will not pass any method, then by default will be get method. So let us check. First of all, let us create the route for this function. Get user login and user controller, and in the next parameter we will pass the name of the function user data. Save this. Let us copy this URL and action URL so let us request. So let us return this request for testing. So let us refresh this page. Tested gmail.com. So let us submit. Now you can see we are getting the data from this function. So if we will make the post method, you can see we are getting the data from URL. It is not secure in the get method. So if we want to submit and save the data, then we will use the post method and we will not use the get method. So let us see how to use the post method. Method post. For that we need to pass this CSRF token. Let us save. So let's refresh again this page and submit this form again. Now you can see we are getting this error. The post method is not supported for this route because we are using the post method, and in the route we have get method. So let us make this post. So let us refresh this page again. Now you can see this is working fine. So let us see how to use the put method. Actually we have used get and post. The put method is used for updating the data in the database. In the upcoming video we will use the put method separately in our controller for updating the records in database. Now we are learning only how to use the put method, post method and get method. So let us see how to use the put method. Save this file. So let us refresh this page again and submit this form. Now you can see the put method is not supported for this route because we are using the post method and we are sent in the form and we are using the put method. So let us see how to fix this error. Put, save this file. So let us refresh this page again Now you can see this is working fine, and method is put. So in this way we can use the put method. So let us see how to use the delete method. Actually, delete method is used to destroy the data from the database. We will use separately all this method in the upcoming video, as I have told you already. So let us see how to use the delete method. Delete. So let us refresh this page again. So submit this form again. Now you can see we are getting the error. The delete method is not supported for this route. So let us see how to fix this method. In the route we will use delete method here. When we use the delete, then we will refresh this page. Now you can see this is working fine. So in the upcoming video we will use this method one by one separately, and we will use for save the data in the database, get the data from the database, and also update the data from the database, and also we will use the delete record from the database one by one in the upcoming video. So thank you for watching this video. If you are looking this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.